Alright, who you be voting for and why?
I feel like the past, 3 or 4 rounds, I've kept my vote the same. I'm voting Matthew again. I want him out. To be honest, I don't really like having Bobby around either. John seems kind of keen on keeping him around, so I'm liking the idea of a final 3 of me, Casey, and John. I think I pull the most votes there. But, I don't know. What do you say we spice this up with a little drawing, eh? A little Bob Ross masterpiece. What's something good to draw? Give me an idea to get the juices flowing.
I have no idea. What's something you relate to Matthew?
No, just toss me in random words.
Tree,
I'm not
idol,
doing a tree.
bush, bed. I don't know, man.
I got it, bro. No, and he's got a big old head here.
Is that a dog?
He's got some antlers. Let me just scrub that out of the table for Peggy real quick. I gotta make sure his antlers are nice.
We do have to hurry though.
Give him some eyes and a big old smile.
You can show us your drawing and
He's got some teeth and he's got a little stripey down the back.
show us your drawing.
Because Matthew's a gazelle, and he's running from Los Gatos. Los Gatos.
Is that your official Alliance name?
Yeah.